Hi, this is Mary O'Brien. I'm the State DOT Bicycle Pedestrian Coordinator, and today I'm going to be going over changes from the 2018 to the 2019 FDOT Design Manual, also known as the FDM, Chapter 223, Bicycle Facilities. The first change that you'll notice as you go through the chapter is that bicycle parking has been removed from Bicycle Facilities 223.2 into its own section called 223.5. The text, however, has not changed. We clarified in the bicycle lanes section that bicycle lanes are for the exclusive use of bicyclists. Previously, it had said that they are for the preferential or exclusive use of bicyclists. Also, we no longer say bicycle lanes are designated by pavement markings and signage. The signage is optional. In the pavement markings and signage section, we ask people to go to FDM 230.3.1.3 for information on placing markings on concrete surfaces. In the Keyhole Lanes section, we added language saying that on curved roadways that do not have a bicycle lane approaching the intersection, consider providing a 17-foot right turn lane for development of future bicycle facilities. So if there isn't a bicycle lane leading up to the right turn lane, there wouldn't be a keyhole lane, but we might anticipate that a bike lane would go in the future, and instead of having to move the curb, instead we can allow that space now. In the flush shoulder section, a keyhole lane must be provided if there is a marked shoulder. Consider providing a keyhole lane if there is high bicycle ridership or high bicycle traffic is anticipated in the future. We labeled Exhibit 223-3 of green-colored pavement. Now you can see the drawings are labeled A through E, and this has been done to make it easier to reference the different drawings in conversation or in text. Also in the green-colored pavement, the bullets describing when green-colored pavements can be used have been clarified. So we did a little reorganizing there, and then we removed the bullet saying that green colored pavement can be used if there is a bike lane adjacent to on-street parking that's 5 feet or less. We removed that bullet because we hope not to see that. A bike lane of that narrow width would do is it would have the cyclists be too close to the parked cars. They would be they may get hit by a car door opening, so instead we would want there to be a buffer. Lastly, we added some clarifying language of what pay item to use for the green bike lanes. In the bicycle box section, a bicycle detection is only required if it's needed to actuate the signal. So if signals are pre-timed, then bicycle detection is not required. Same thing with the two-stage turn boxes. If bicycle detection isn't required to actuate the signal, then that's not needed. In the paved shoulders section, we clarified that paved shoulders also are there to serve errant vehicles. Also, we changed the section where you would refer to for more information when audible and vibratory treatment is next to a paved shoulder serving as a bicycle facility. Where you would now go for more information is FDM Chapter 210.4.6. And lastly, we created a new paved shoulder subsection called marked shoulders. The main reason for the marked shoulders subsection is to clarify that a marked paved shoulder is still a paved shoulder. It does not become a bicycle lane. Therefore, bike lane signs are not to be used on flush shoulder roads. The section previously called separated bicycle facilities is now called separated bicycle lanes. The information has stayed the same. The bicycle facilities chapter has a new section called on-street parking. This information was relocated here from 210.2.3. We also changed the language a little bit to make it more clear what the design specifics are of on-street car parking and the adjacent bicycle facilities. Lastly, we removed the language application pending next to US Bicycle Route 15 in the US Bicycle Route System section. That's because the US Bicycle Route 15 Phase 1 was approved in the fall application cycle of 2018. So those are all the changes in the Bicycle Facilities chapter of the FDM, Chapter 223. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to your district FDOT staff members or the FDOT central office, and we would be happy to help. Thank you.